What's up traders, Red here with another trading recap. Coming off of the craziness yesterday, all I was looking for today was just a chill trading session, but the market gave me absolutely no breaks. I actually had to get ready to take a trade even before I started the stream this morning for the New York Open. It was absolute chaos trying to get the stream going while worrying about taking the first trades of the day, but we managed to get it done. But first, if you guys like these trading recaps every time I take trades, either the wins or the losses, please give this video a like. Don't forget, you guys can get 30 to 35% off Lucid accounts with code RDT. And I think Apex is doing an 80% off sale right now, ending today, I believe, if you use the same code RDT. I really appreciate all of you that have checked out my links in the description below. So thank you again. And here's what happened today. So right now, I am thinking about a long here, even before the market opens. I'm going long at $7,002.50. We have what, 2 minutes until market opens? Kind of scary here, but I'm ready. All right, the market is open. I feel like I still get nervous until I'm done with the trade. All right, here comes. It's falling. God, I feel like Top Step is so laggy. All right, one tick away. Oh my God. It hit my TP right there. Now it's like if it does come down and tag me, then, I might lose the trade. So it is, I think it's coming down. Fifth time's a charm. All right, I'm getting tagged here.
Order
There
filled.
we go, I'm in. But now it looks like it's gonna just stop me out though. Getting a nice little bounce, but it could sell off. Yeah, look at that. Selling off. That's not fun. Yeah, I guess we're bearish now. Things are very rippy right now. Not sure what's happening. We did get an initial bounce, but it sold off into the close here. Yeah. We could be coming down. Yep, there we go. Let's see if I'm going to get a reverse trade here. I mean, come on, just come down. You know you want to come down. There we go. I'm getting tagged out here.
Stop filled.
I got tagged out here, guys. First loss right off the bat. God, I can't believe I missed the trade by one tick. And then this happens. I'm going to go short at 7,300 here if we stay down here. Oh, nope, we shot up. God, don't tell me this is a stop hunt. Oh my God. I got stop hunted. Oh my God. All right, guys. I got wrecked by the market right off the bat. My short is still possible here if we keep coming down. All right, taking the reverse short here.
Order
We
filled.
got filled. All right, it's gonna be last trade of the day potentially, if I get tapped out. It is going my way. Okay, come on, let's get it. I'm out of Top Step. Why am I not out? I'm out of Top Step. Should I just wait? No, let's follow the plan.
Order filled.
Follow the plan. I'm out. My plan is to flatten if I hit my TP and don't get filled. So I did it. Even though I didn't want to. Even though it might go back down and eventually hit my TP, I did it. So the only platform that tagged me out was Top Step. Everything else, everywhere else, it didn't tag. Whoa, okay. Okay. See, this is why you follow your plan. Oh my God. Yeah, I would have lost that. I would have been slipped, I bet, a lot with that pop. Oh my God, that saved me. That me flattening that trade saved me right there. Yeah, so it sucks that even though the price hit my TP, some of my accounts didn't exit the trade, so I had to manually flatten my trade. But I'm so glad that following my plan saved me right there. If I stayed greedy and stayed any longer, I would have not only lost my profits, but I would have hit my stop loss and possibly got slipped because that reversal was really scary after hitting my TP. And I think this was a good example of why you'll run into situations where you question your rules and decisions, but you were able to see in real time how I defaulted into follow the plan no matter what. Here's what happened towards the end of the stream. Alright, right now I'm long biased. My entry is gonna be 15 and 25 cents. Basically where this high is. So potentially getting a retest. So I'm gonna go long here, $7,015.25. All right, let me just set up for a reverse. Looks like it's coming down to tag me in pretty damn fast. I got tagged in on my top set, but nowhere else.
Order
Now
filled.
I'm tagged in everywhere. Uh-oh, it is dropping. It is dropping hard. I might have gotten faked out here. Let's see a bounce. Are we seeing a bounce here, or are we going to continue down? This looks like pretty bad to me. We're not getting that clean push up. I would want this candle to close like strongly into the green, like back to the highs, but yeah, it's poking down again. Not great. Here you can see the TP better now. 10 seconds left on this candle. All right, let's keep pushing up. Nice. This isn't too bad, but we could still sell off after this candle. Yeah, it's coming down again. So, not getting the bounce. Yeah, I think it is gonna come down lower. We'll see how far though. Yeah, we're staying here way too long. Let's see how this candle closes. If we get bought up into the close, that's a good sign, right? I don't want this hammer candle though. 5 seconds left here. Yeah, it still looks kind of bearish to me. Okay. This is interesting, but let's not sell off though. Because we could reverse, right? Still early in this candle. All right, 10 seconds left on this candle. Still not really bullish yet. Decent close. Okay, this is decent, but I don't know. We could drop still. This could be a mini bear flag. Yeah, we're dropping. Yeah, we're dropping back down here, guys. So I might have to take a potential reverse short here. We're just not getting the bounce. Yeah, ugly candle right there. Selling off into the close. Yikes. Okay. Real ugly. I think we're just slowly bleeding down. Not really getting the bounce. Yep. There we go. Coming back down now. I mean, this bounce is still nothing. I think unless that previous high gets broken, I'm still somewhat bearish. Yeah, because if we make this candle and then still come down, then I don't think that's a good thing. We do want to kind of push up here, but again, I'm reserving judgment until we break that previous high. Just pure chop so far. This isn't bad, I guess. Oh, never mind. Yeah, there it goes. There's a drop. Yeah, this is mega bearish because after making that wick, you don't want to see this. And we're going to close like this too. So, wow. What an ugly candle right there. Ugly red candle. And we open lower, so goodbye. Goodbye, long. All right, getting tagged out.
Stop
I'm
filled.
out. Let me see if I'm taking the reverse short here. Looks pretty good to take here. I'm going short here. All right, taking the reverse short. I might have to adjust my entry here depending on how far we fall. If I don't get tagged in. Looks pretty bearish. All right, I'm following the trade here. Moving my entry to 12s. All right, here it comes. Here comes the tag maybe. One tick away. One tick away. Come on. Bro, what? Sometimes it takes a while for me if I'm
Order
in a
filled.
trade. All right, I'm tagged in. But I ask questions. Oh my god, look at this pump. I might have been chopped around here, guys. Unless like we go back down now. I don't see it going down. We have 30 seconds left. It is pretty bullish. Strong move up there. It is somewhat selling off into the close. But I would want it to drop right after this candle if it's going to drop. Yeah, it's like coming up. It's closing bullish. Yeah, that looks pretty bullish to me. Are we gonna get a drop? Or are we gonna go up? And we're gonna go up. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Hold on. We have something here. Hopefully this is not a higher low. We're kind of bouncing on my entry here. Let's keep pushing down if we can. That would be great. We're getting yeah, we're getting bought up into the close here. Not great. Yikes. Okay. That was just a retest of my entry. That's too bad. Can we do one more time? Can we dump one more time here? No. I don't think it wants to. I think it's ready to go up higher. Hold on now. Hold on now. We're trying one more time here to dump. Don't tell me it's gonna get bought up again into the close. We're struggling to break that low here. That wick. I mean, so far it's not getting bought up too crazy. So we're okay. Okay, we opened lower too, but hopefully we don't reclaim that huge red candle back up. Let's see how this candle closes. All right, I love it. I'll take this, but again, we can't get bought up here into the close. Let's keep pushing down. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Kind of an iffy candle. Maybe this is the bounce to go along. Okay, we're coming back up. All right, that was a good try. Yeah, starting to get a little bit more bullish here. I would want it to sell off into the close here. 30 seconds left. So far we're holding, but I would love it if it turns red here, right? Let's sell off into the close a little bit. This is beautiful. Okay, we're selling off into the close a little bit. Let's not pop back up. Yeah. We could still go up, I guess. All right. Getting a nice little push down here. Are we making a higher low, or are we making a, or are we gonna break that low? We could still bounce in this area, right? So, yeah, look at that. Getting bought up into the close. Yeah, not the best candle. Okay. Nice little dump there. Love to see that. Let's keep moving down. Okay, we just broke that low. Do we have the juice to keep going? Do we have the juice? Let's see some volume here. I mean, I'm not getting that volume to keep pushing down here. So this trade can reverse at any point. I'm not really in the safe zone yet. I would just love it to keep pushing down, like bam. You know, get me out of this trade right now. Let's do it. Okay, we're picking up speed a little bit. Okay, nice. Nice little drop there. Hopefully we don't get bought up into the close. All right, nice, nice. Okay, let's see how this candle closes. 10 seconds left here. Oh my god, let's not bounce. Oh my god, no. Dang it. Okay. Yeah, that's bad. Maybe we're getting the bounce here. Let's see what are we looking at? Yeah, I'm looking for this sweep of this low maybe. Yeah, but we're getting a bounce here, guys. We almost made it. All right, so are we bouncing or not? Looks like we're going higher though. I don't like that. I think we have a good chance of okay. Nice. I was gonna say if we come back down after that bullish wick, we have a good chance of hitting my target here. Because this means it's mega bearish. Come on, let's not get bought up again. Come on. Let's not do this. Let's just close strong. 5 seconds left. Okay, we're not getting bought up that crazy. This isn't bad. We could keep going lower. Let's keep going. We're almost there. Nice. Nice. One tick. One tick. One tick away. Come on. Huh. One tick.
Order filled.
Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god. I took another stab at a long, didn't end up working out, and I was once again saved by my reverse trade. It's definitely not the optimal way to win, with added risk potentially losing back to back, but I will not complain about winning with my reverse trades. But again, I've taken 6 trades yesterday and the market was giving me another 4 already. I was seriously asking myself, how many more am I going to get? Well, turns out a setup formed right after I ended my live stream. Okay, I just ended the stream here, guys, but I'm getting another setup. Let's just take the trade here and see what happens. I've already taken 4 trades today, and now it's making me trade another time. So far, a short trade looks good to me right now. I'm gonna go short as 7,800, 7,008 even. Okay, I'm going short. Wow, we are dumping now. So I might have missed that move. I mean, this trade still might work out. It is coming back up slowly. So let's see if I get filled. All right, we're getting a push up here. Wow. Oh yeah, it is coming up pretty fast. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting tagged in here. All right, here we go. All right.
Order
I'm in.
filled.
I'm actually not in on my Lucid Direct though, on Rhythmic. Maybe we'll get one more tag, one more push in up there. Yeah, looks like it's not reversing anytime soon, so I think we're gonna tag my entry one more time. There we go. All right, okay, I'm in, but look at that bullish move though. We are getting some rejection, but still early in the candle. This isn't bad, but we still have 30 seconds left, so we can go higher for sure. All right, okay. I mean, this is a nice little drop, considering, but can we see some continuation here? Let's not get bought up. I mean, this isn't a bad candle, but we're moving up right afterwards. So unless this sells off into the close, that rejection candle might be just a pullback to go higher. Yep, look at that. We're already back in my entry. So spoke too soon there. I think we might go higher here. All right, 30 seconds left. Let's try to sell off into the close. Yeah, we're going up. I think we want to go up here, and we're not selling off. So, yep, we are going higher, guys. So let's get ready for a. Oh my God, look at that green candle, just terrible. Very bullish now. Yeah, if we get that rejection. Oh, okay, there we go. I'm getting tagged out. Here we go. I was gonna say if we see that rejection candle and then the price kind of reclaims it, then it's all mega bullish. About to get tagged out here.
Stop filled.
I'm out. Let's see if I get a reverse long here. Yeah, I'm still waiting to go long here. I'm not seeing strength that I want to see to take the reverse trade. So far, it looks like a stop hunt, which is, oh my God, look at that. Do not like that. So far, it could still be a stop hunt, so I'm being extra careful here. Do not jump the gun. Oh my God, look at that. See? This is what I'm talking about. Unless we reclaim this dump, this red candle, then it's going to be a stop hunt here. All right, we are slowly but surely moving up. I'm going to take my long here if we break those highs. Come on. All right, here we go. We're breaking the highs. Nice. Okay. If we close like this, I'm going long. Okay, I'm going to go long at 7,009 and 25 cents. All right. Taking my reverse long here. I have about 20 minutes left on this trade, so not a lot of time to get filled if I don't get filled pretty soon here. And it might just leave without me. Alright, I do have a reverse long order in, but I haven't been tagged yet. And this is the last candle that I'm going to wait for until I cancel the order. So unless I get filled in the next 40 seconds here, I'm gonna cancel the order and I'll just take the main trade as one loss there. I feel like it does want to eventually come down, but It's just not happening fast enough for me to be comfortable staying in here. So canceling the order in 15 seconds. Why does it want to come down now? A little too late, buddy. All right, I'm canceling my order. Flatten. Yeah, so that was another loss on my main trade, and I never got filled in on my reverse trade there. So with that one loss, I still managed to eke out a small profit for the day. Obviously, not getting all the profits from hitting my TP on my first reverse short trade made me lose out on some money on my Lucid and Perdia accounts. But don't forget, my plan saved me from actually losing those trades. So with everything considered, even though my last trade was a loss, I should be thankful that I made any money today and I avoided a red day. And if I take a step back, look how well this week is going, especially considering how little I was trading for almost a month during the holidays. I think this is a great start to my year so far, and I just can't let some small loss make me think otherwise. So I'm going to end the day happy, and let's end the week strong before the 3-day weekend. If you guys want to see more videos of my wins or losses, check out these playlists showing up right now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.